Pasalamatan din natin KZ Cantina. Monterde. Mahal ko siya. Ito na kasi no first two nights, walang message sa akin ng diretso ano. Ngayon daw, meron ka daw sasabihin sa akin.
Ang message mo na yun sa'yo?
Nahiya siya ba mga ganito eh? Kawaya, baby, ano ba?
Seryoso na. Mag-message yung tao!
Okay.
Ano daw? Mamaya! Magsawa kayo. At sa lumabas kayo, nakakiss kami. Tingnan natin kung di kayo magreklamo at di tayo ma-MTRC. Dapat demure. I just wanna say... Okay, seryoso na to. Kasi uwi na sila. Unang-unang po sa lahat, gusto ko lang po kayong pasalamatan isa-isa. Kung meron man pong magpo-post ng video neto online sa mga nanood po ng day 1, day 2, maraming salamat po for choosing to be with DJ these past 3 days. Hindi po kayo nagkamali sa taong susuportahan. Kasi kung gaano po siya ka-generous on stage, sa puso niya, kung paano siya magkwento sa inyo, kung paano siya nag-i-inspire, nag-i-encourage sa inyo na nanonood ngayon. Ganon siya off stage. This person is an example of God's testament that He is the God of everything. Na kaya niyang i-compress ang time. Kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa isang ganun. Sobrang akong grateful that I get to witness that every single day for the rest of our lives. Kasi aside from being a great artist, singer, songwriter, head of his own label, husband, dada to our dogs, son-in-law, brother, TJ is my inspiration. Kasi, as an artist, I also feel like I'm in my season of waiting. And that sometimes I feel like it's time to just throw in the towel and give up on music and on everything. But every time I wake up in the morning and I look to my left, I see this man. And I am reminded that a few years ago, he was going to give up. But he chose to fight. And in less than a year, he is now one of the most streamed artists in the Philippines. He is the first male solo act to sell out Araneta Coliseum 3 nights in the freaking row. So, on behalf of all of us, and everybody watching, wherever you are, thank you for reminding us that dreams really do come true. I love you so much. Wala ka nang magagawa. You signed away your rights. Gino ko na lang, maiiyak na ako. Hindi, pero I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together. And I'm excited to spend 10 more lifetimes with you. I love you. Palagi.
Oh. I love you, baby.
Andiyan yung nanay at tatay natin.
Siya na sa mga ganito.
Astig lang dapat kasi ako.
Everybody, KZ, Landigan, long hair. I love you. Thank you.